Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, on the BNB chart, price seems to be following this triangle at the moment that was proposed. No information, no indication that prices formed a lasting low on the 12th of June, here with this swing low at $220. It is adhering currently to a possible Elliott Wave triangle count. We're making lower highs and higher lows. It broke this initial wedge pattern to the downside. That was already a sign that things might go a little bit bearishly. We can now add trend lines at the AC highs, yeah, and at the BD swing low here. However, this D wave is obviously still in the making, so it's not entirely reliable, right? What is important is, though, the breakout point, not really the trend line if we talk about Elliott Wave triangles. However, we have a trend line down here which might be of relevance if the D wave comes a little lower. But certainly the idea would be that this is a wave 4 at the moment until proven wrong, yeah, until the price proves that something more bullish is going on, because in all likelihood this should go down further, make one more low, unless it can really rally impulsively, break above the A wave high at 257 and then take out the 269 level, because this level is really the one that determines what's going on here, because the wave 4 can easily stretch out to that level. So that's the relevant parameter. We've got two things here to look at. First of all, we have to look at the pattern. Is the pattern correct? Pattern doesn't really matter so much in corrective structures. They always morph, they always change. What is more relevant are really the pivot points, and that is at 269, because above 269 you can't really defend the wave 4 anymore. But to really go bullish, we would need to see a correct structure, like a 5-wave move to the upside. Clearly, off this 12th of June low, BNB hasn't shown us any impulse or even diagonal structure to the upside. I mean, you can always try to count something as a diagonal, but we are looking for reliable setups, right? Reliable patterns. At the moment, there is nothing here that is reliable that I would call a diagonal or anything. So I look at it as a trend continuation pattern, and the assumption is like this: as long as price stays first of all below 257, below the A wave high, because above the A wave high the Elliott Wave triangle will be invalidated. However, that doesn't mean that further downside is not going to happen. It just means that the wave 4 might stretch out a little higher, or the triangle simply broke out the other way around, yeah. But as per this Elliott Wave count, we would currently expect the wave 4 is unfolding as a triangle, making lower highs, higher lows, and the expected breakout direction would be to the downside, to the opposite side of the E wave. So as soon as wave D is finished, we would expect an E wave to take place, a lower high, and then a breakdown. Alternatively, it comes down straight away. That's of course possible if wave 4 was already finished. Yeah, but the trend is down, so expected direction currently to the downside. Would need to change my view if price breaks above 269, but at the moment I have no evidence we're going there. Can always happen, then we have to adjust, but for now the focus is down, and a breakout point to the downside would be a break below the B wave low. That is at $224.50, this swing low of the 28th of June, and the next support will be $208. That's the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement level. Ideally, price makes only one more low, puts a lasting low in place, and turns around with an impulse to the upside. But before, I don't see an impulse, so yeah, I have to see this. Could be smaller, okay, but I have to see something like that in order to confirm that price is turning around and something more bullish is going on. 5 waves up and 3 waves down ideally, but if we have an impulse 5 up, it already would give us some confidence. Yeah, if it's only again a diagonal, then we need to wait for extended confirmation. Yeah, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.